So this is a review of the lesson that you had yesterday. That was Thursday. It was part of your end of chapter 2 focus task. There was a written portion as well as you had to create 2 models, which you all are kind of getting to be experts in Google Draw at this point. So let me go over the modeling part first with you. You do not have student feedback, by the way, yet in your email on this. You just need to have the integrity to go back and check your answers and then you might just submit the lesson twice and that's fine. Model 1 was showing that you should have showed an increase in births in the zooplankton population, leading to an increase in births in the moon jelly population. And then you needed to draw those, ESM stands for energy storage molecules, and the arrow, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what I think the energy storage molecules honestly was kind of the part for Model 1 that confused us. In a stable population, you needed to show me that there is same number of births and deaths. The X was a death, the B was a birth, and then the energy storage molecules are always going from the zooplankton to the moon jelly population because that's where those energy storage molecules are going in terms of energy flow. The moon jellies are eating the zooplankton and gaining energy from that. In an increasing population down here on the bottom of Model 1, you needed to show that there is more births and deaths in both the zooplankton and the moon jellies. And then there is actually going to be more energy storage molecules than the diagram above. I think that's where some of us got tripped up. No shame, just go back and fix your work. You're decreasing deaths in the moon jelly population. This was Model 2. So on Model 2, you were trying to show how a change to the sea turtle population, that's the consumers of the moon jellies, could have created deaths to decrease the moon jelly population. So in a stable ecosystem, there again, same number of births and deaths for both the jellies and the turtles, and then just a set number of energy storage molecules moving from the resource to the consumer. In the bottom one, it's saying show what the population during a moon jelly population explosion would look like. So you had to show, this is showing more births and deaths, doesn't matter, just you had to have more B's than X's on that one. And then, let's see, sorry, I'm saying this wrong. Decreasing deaths in the moon jelly population means that if there were fewer turtles, so you're showing, I'm going to start from over here, explaining it from on the right-hand side. On the turtle side, at the bottom, like right-hand side here, you have more deaths than births. That means that that turtle population is going down. That also means that they are having less energy storage molecules needed because they're not eating as much. So that's why there's more dots up here than down here for those energy storage molecules. Again, no shame if yours doesn't look similar to that, just go back and double check. I'm just gonna leave this up for you because I can let you pause the video and look at 2 possible exemplar responses for either claim 1 or claim 2. Part of what I saw was a lot of people just weren't writing in complete sentences for this part. You might just have said the claim and didn't have evidence to support it, and you had those evidence cards you needed to go back and check on. You might have also just not given your explanation. So if you notice claim 1, you can pause and read it yourself. And then you notice that the claim is the first sentence in this example 1. The jelly population increased because births increased since 2000. That's a claim. Why do you think that? They gave the evidence card A shows the zooplankton population increase. It gives a reasoning as to why that evidence card A is a good representation of the whole population. It gives several sentences explaining why. So that would get you 100%. Claim 2 says the jelly population increased because there are fewer deaths after 2000 than before. That's a claim. That is a statement, a complete sentence. And then it provides evidence with evidence card C, shows that the sea turtle population decreased. Okay, that's evidence. Why does that matter? It says a smaller consumer population feeds fewer energy storage molecules, so the sea turtles would eat less of the moon jellies, so fewer moon jellies would die. As a result, moon jelly population increased. That explains why they think that claim is correct. So it doesn't matter which claim, it matters whether you explained it with evidence and reasoning. So almost 100% of us could probably go back and improve on that. Use the time after you finish this lesson to go back and do that. Or you could open that up in another tab before you submit this lesson, which I actually recommend. Good luck. You got this. If you need any help, please reach out.